The one ranked product is Compressed Air Duster High-Speed Keyboard Cleaner 230000 RPM Electric Air Duster 3-gear 8000 mAh. Rechargeable Cordless Air Blower Turbofan Jet Dry Blower for PC computers car electronics. Review score 4.9. Review count 131 ratings. Price $59.99. Customers like the power, battery life, and ease of cleaning of the vacuum cleaner. They mention it's outstanding, very powerful, and easy to clean even hard to reach spots. Some appreciate the airflow and speed, saying it has different speeds perfect for different cleaning needs. Customers dislike no info. The 2 ranked product is Compressed Air Duster Mini Blower Turbo Fan 300000 RPM Electric Duster Keyboard Cleaning Kit. No. Can replace compressed air. Can jet dry blower car dryer air blower PC dusters for cleaning. Review score 4.4. Review count 2260 ratings. Price $59.99. Customers like the power, cleaning power, and airflow of the product. They mention it performs exceptionally well in various tasks. Easily removes dust and debris from electronics, keyboards, and even tight spaces. Some also appreciate the ease of use, compactness, and attachments. Customers dislike, however, some customers differ on the battery life. The 3 ranked product is Compressed Air Duster Blower Fan PC Duster Electric 300000 RPM Replace compressed air can keyboard. Clean car cleaning kits Turbo Fan Car Dryer Air Blower Jet Fan No Air Can Dusters for cleaning. Review score 4.4. Review count 1890 ratings. Price $89.98. Customers like the power, dust removal, and air power of the product. They mention it's incredibly effective, provides consistent performance, and is a reliable tool. Some also say it's well worth the money, has a powerful airflow, and is easy to use. Customers dislike, however, some customers have mixed opinions on the battery life. The 4 ranked product is Compressed Air Duster Turbo Jet Blower Electric Cordless Jet Fan 300,000 revolutions per minute 3-gear speed mini jet blower for cleaning PC dust, camping, outdoor, car, home. Black. Review score 4.4. Review count 119 ratings. Price $59.99. Customers like the power, functionality, and attachments of the product. They mention it's very powerful, works well for blowing out car dust, and comes with all the attachments needed. Some also appreciate the build quality and speed control. Additionally, customers are satisfied with the battery life, airflow, and cleaning ability. Customers dislike no info. The 5 ranked product is Cassano Jet Dry Mini Blower Super Jet Fan Blower 300,000 RPM Compressed Air Duster Can. Rechargeable Air Blower Jet Dry Mini Blower with 3 adjustable speeds for computer outdoors car. Home. Review score 4.3. Review count 40 ratings. Price $159.99. Customers like the build quality, ease of use, and size of the air pump. They mention it's very strong, built like a jet engine, and convenient. Customers dislike no info.